Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix my mobile hotspot not working on Redmi Note 15. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, click power button and volume up button at the time and you will see restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on uh, notification and status bar. Click on customize icon display and turn on hotspot. Turn on hotspot. You will see, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, you will check your internet connection is work properly. Turn on or turn off Wi-Fi mode. So you will see internet connection is work properly. So if it's still not working, click on settings app, click on more connectivity options, reset settings. After click on reset setting, enter your phone pin. You will see click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on additional settings. After click on additional setting, click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. Click on media DRM setting. So you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update your software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Redmi Note 15. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.